Hi, everybody. How are you doing? If you're new here, I highly recommend you hit that subscribe button and the bell down below to not miss a single one of our new lessons. And don't forget, if you like this lesson, please show us some support by hitting that like button. Also, take your fluency to the next level with our lessons. Lesson 18. Money. You had some references to English money in Lesson 17, e.g. the price of the ticket to Brighton was 15 shillings. The passenger gave a £1 note and received 5 shillings change. The ticket for the left luggage was 1 and 6pence, she paid 2 shillings and received 6pence change. When you have always been used to the metric system, English money can cause some difficulty. Let us listen to Mr. Priestley giving an explanation to his students. Mr. Priestley. We will begin with the pound sterling. You will meet this generally in the form of the pound note, and you can change this for 2 10-shilling notes. At one time we used to have gold sovereigns, £1, and half sovereigns, tens, but these have not been made since 1917. Then there are the silver coins, the shilling, 20 of which make a pound, the 2-shilling piece, the half-crown, worth 2 shillings and 6pence, and the 6pence. There is also a 3-penny bit, made of a mixture of copper and brass. It is not round like the other coins, but is 12-sided. The copper coins are the penny, 12 of which make a shilling. The halfpenny, pronounced halfpenny, and the farthing. All these coins, and coins for other nations too, about 600 million every year, are made at the Royal Mint near the Tower of London. If you apply there you can get permission to visit the mint and see the coins being made. In addition to the £1 and tens notes, there are also banknotes of £5, which are larger in size. The American unit is the dollar, written dollar. In the dollar there are 100 cents. Here is the information again in a table. 4 farthings or 2 halfpennies equals 1 penny, 1d. 12 pence equals 1 shilling, 1. 20 shillings equals 1 pound, 1 pound. A half-crown, or half a crown, equals 2 shillings and 6pence, 2/6. 8 half-crowns equals 1 pound. Notice the way we say amounts in money. For 1 shilling and 6pence we say 1 and 6. 3 shillings and 4pence we say 3 and 4. 15 shillings and 9pence we say 15 and 9. As you can see, we leave out the words shillings and pence, except in amounts like 1 and a penny, 1 over 1, 3 and a halfpenny, 3 over 0.5. With an amount in pounds, shillings and pence we say 1 pound 4 and threepence, 1 pound, 4s. 3d, 6 pounds 9 and 10 pence, 6 pounds, 9s. 10d, 17 pounds 8 and 5pence halfpenny, 17 pounds, 8s. 5.5d. Simple arithmetic with money. Students often find arithmetic with English money rather difficult at first. A little practice will soon make it quite easy. Let us try 1 or 2 examples. Addition, S. D. Add together, 1, 9, 3, 4, 6, 6. Answer, 11, 7. This is how we get the answer. 6 and 4 equals 10 and 9 equals 19. 12 pence is 1 shilling, so 19 pence equals 1 shilling and 7 pence. Now add a shillings. 1 from the pence and 6 equals 7 and 3 equals 10 and 1 equals 11. Here is another example. Add together pound, S, D, 3, 16, 3, 7, 14, 10, 3, 15, 11, 4, 17, 9, 5, 14, 10. Answer 25, 19, 7. Method. The pence added together come to 43. There are 12 pence in 1 shilling. So divide 43 by 12, i.e., 3 and 7 over. The shillings with this 3 added come to 79. There are 20 shillings in 1 pound, so 79 divided by 20 gives 3 pounds and 19 shillings over. The pounds with this 3 added come to 25. Exercise. Add together and explain as you do so. D, pound, D, 1, 8, 3, 6, 5, 12, 9, 3, 5, 8, 9, 4, 10, 8, 4, 2, 14, 10, 16, 14, 11. Answer. Subtraction. Example 1. DS. From 14. 3. Take 8. 9. Answer 5. 6. Method. We can't take G pence from 3 pence, so we borrow 1 shilling from the 14s. This is 12 pence and the 3 more make 15. 9 from 15 equals 6. The 14 shillings, having lent 1, are now only 13, and 8 from 13 equals 5. Example 2. Pound SD. From 4. 2. 4. Take 1. 17. 7. Answer 2. 4. 9. Method. Borrow 1 shilling, 12 pence and 4 equals 16. 7 from 16 equals 9. Borrow 1 pound. The 20 shillings and 1, because the 2 had lent 1 shilling, equals 21. 17 from 21 equals 4. 1 pound from 3, because the 4 has lent 1, equals 2. Exercise. Subtract the following and explain as you do so. D, pound, D, 14, 5, 16, 3, 9, 4, 6, 7, 9, 8, 8, 5, 17, 9. Answer. Multiplication. Pound, D, multiply 3, 8, 11, by 6, 6. Answer. 20, 13, 6. Method. 6 times 11 equals 66. 12 pence in 1 shilling, therefore in 66 pence there are 5 shillings and 6 pence. 6 times 8 equals 48 and 5 equals 53. 20 shillings equals 1 pound. Therefore 53 equals 2 pounds 13 shillings. 6 times 3 equals 18 and 2 equals 20. Exercise. Multiply 4 pounds, 6s, 3d, by 5, 7 and 9, and explain as you do so. Crossword. Only 3 clues are given, 6, 9, 10, but all the other SNSWERS can be found in the picture below. All the words in puzzle were used in Essential English Books 1 or 2. Clues. 6. Across 20 CWTS. See page 190. 9. Down, thick part of milk which comes to the top. 10. Across, a piece of grass kept cut and smooth. Example 1. Divide 32 pounds, 8ths, 1d, by 7 pound, D, 7, 32, 8, 1. Answer 4, 12, 7. Method. 7 into 32 equals 4 and 4 over. These 4 pounds equals 80 shillings. Add the other 8 equals 88. 7 into 88 equals 12 and 4 over. These 4 shillings equals 48 pence. Add the 1 penny equals 49. 7 into 49 equals 7. With bigger numbers we use another method. Example 2. Divide 937 pounds, 6s, 8d, by 152. Method. Pound s d 152 937 686 pounds 912 2520. Multiply by 20 to bring these pounds to shillings. Add the 6. 152 506 3 shillings 456 5012. Multiply by 12 to bring these shillings to pence. Add the 8. 152 608 4 pence 608. Answer 6 pounds 3s. 4d. Exercises 1. Divide 1. 36 pounds 11s, 3d, by 5. 2. 73 pounds 15s, 4d, by 8. 3. 47 pounds 0s, 6d, by 11. 2. Divide 1. 163 pounds 10s, 9d, by 147. 2. 10,607 pounds 0s, 60, by 234. Mr. Priestley. And now, to finish, here is a rather curious thing in arithmetic. I want you to write down a sum of money in pounds, shillings and pence. Make the pounds more than the pence, but do not make the pounds more than 11. Lucille wrote. Pedro wrote. Pound s d pound s d 6 12 3 7 9 2. Now reverse it. 3 12 6 2 9 7. Subtract 2 19 9 4 19 7. Reverse again. 9 19 2 7 19 4. Now add 12 18 11. Jan wrote. Olaf wrote. Pound s d pound s d 11 7 8 10 0 1. Now reverse it. 8 7 11 1 0 10. Subtract 2 19 9 8 19 3. Reverse again. 9 19 2 3 19 8. Now add. And I can tell you what your answers are. If you finish the others you will see how Mr. Priestley knew the answers. Pedro. Numbers are curious things. Have you ever noticed this before? Ox 9 plus 1 equals 1. 1 by 9 plus 2 equals 11. 12 by 9 plus 3 equals 111. 123 by 9 plus 4 equals 1111. 1234 by 9 plus 5 equals 11,111. 12,345 by 9 plus 6 equals 111,111. 123,456 by 9 plus 7 equals 1,111,111. 1,234,567 by 9 plus 8 equals 11,111,111. 12,345,678 by 9 plus 9 equals 111,111,111. 123,456,789 by 9 plus 10 equals 1,111,111,111. Jan. I hadn't seen that, but this is rather like it. 9 by 9 plus 7 equals 9 by 98 plus 6 equals 9 by 987 plus 5 equals 9 by 9876 plus 4 equals 9 by 98,765 plus 3 equals 9 by 987,654 plus 2 equals 9 by 9,876,543 plus 1 equals 9 by 98,765,432 plus 0 equals 9 by 987,654,321 minus 1 equals. Work it out for yourself and see. Frida: here is a very simple puzzle, but when I first heard it I gave the wrong answer. A peach and an apple cost 7D, the peach cost 6D. More than the apple. What was the cost of each? Hob: you seem good at puzzles. What do you think of this? I got threepence halfpenny change today from the grocers. There were only 2 coins and one of them was not a 3-penny bit. All the others. It can't be done. You must have more than 2 coins. Hob: but I tell you I got it. Jan: well, I can't see how you did. What were the 2 coins? Hob: a halfpenny and a 3-penny bit. All the others, but you said one of them was not a 3-penny bit. Hob: well, one of them wasn't, but the other one was. Some proverbs and idioms about money. Take care of the pence and the pounds will take care of themselves. Don't be penny wise and pound foolish. Money lent is money spent. Neither borrower nor a lender be. For loan oft loses both itself and friend. Shakespeare. Pronunciation drill. List. Bookstall, bookstall. Foolish, dear, therefore. Direction. Abroad, booking office. Blue, realize, care. Unit, platform. Good, fruit. Curious, hair. Built, taught. Foot, Jew. Here, square. Sovereign, therefore. Bedroom, unit. Near, chair. System, quarter. Sugar, clear. Stare. Exercises. Exercise 1. Say or write the following in words. 1. 3s. 9D. 2. 5/10 D. 3. 1 pound 4 to 11. 4. 7 pounds 13 to 8. 5. 12 pounds 16 to 9.5. 6. 11 over 1. 7. 9s. 0. 5D. 8. 18 sixths. 9. 35 pounds 14 to 8.5. 10. 143 pounds 15 to 11.5. Exercise 2. How many pence are there in a shilling? B. Shillings in a pound. C. Farthings in a penny. D. Halfpennies in a shilling. Exercise 3. What is half a crown? How many half-crowns are there in 1 pound? Exercise 4. What are the short ways of writing a penny? B. A shilling. C. A pound. D. A dollar. Exercise 5. Explain in your own words the meaning of take care of the pence, and the pounds will take care of themselves. B. Don't be penny wise and pound foolish. C. Money lent is money spent. D. Neither borrower nor a lender be. The loan oft loses both itself and friend. Rewrite D. Beginning, don't be. Exercise 6. Rewrite the following, keeping the same meaning, but using either, or instead of neither, nor. 1. He has neither brother nor sister. 2. I have seen neither Pedro nor Olaf this morning. 3. That shop sells neither papers nor cigarettes. 4. He gave me neither food nor drink. 5. She came with neither book nor pencil. This is rather difficult. What is the negative of with? Exercise 7. Write a short composition on my life by a shilling. Dear friends, thank you very much for your support, for watching and for liking. I wish you success in learning English. Subscribe to our channel, and good luck.